Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the ServiceNow developer jobs and automation testing jobs. So let us go through the ServiceNow developer jobs. So role would be the ServiceNow developer and location would be the Bangalore location, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 4 to 8 years of experience. So mode of interview would be face-to-face interview, like walk-in drive on 8th February 2025, like on Saturday. So when you Tata Consultancy Services, like in Bangalore location itself. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can go through the face-to-face round of interview, or else you can send your resumes to this particular person like Mahalakshmi G by following her. So coming to the next job opening is regarding ServiceNow developer with DevOps, and experience is 44 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. So these are all the key responsibilities like develop, customize, and maintain ServiceNow applications and modules, integrate ServiceNow workflows with DevOps pipelines and tools, and collaborate with cross-functional teams to deliver robust and scalable solutions. So these are all the key responsibilities they are expecting from the candidates, and these are all the requirements like minimum 4 years of experience in ServiceNow development and integration, strong expertise in ServiceNow platform with hands-on experience in exposed to DevOps practices, similarly with IT service management like ITSM process. So excellent problem solving skills and communication and remote working skills. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can share your resumes to this mail ID like Adil, or else you can follow him. Can follow Adil Saifi and you can send your resumes through this. So coming to the next job opening is regarding ServiceNow developer, and location would be Pan India location. Work mode is hybrid, and these are all the required skills like ServiceNow ITSM, ITOM and CSM. So this is the job description here, like 7 years of relevant experience in ServiceNow implementation experience, and extensive work experience in IT service management like ITSM, custom app development and integration, and hands-on experience in ITSM, ITOM, ITM, and CSM. So these are all the main preferable skills. If you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to raviteja.cape@peopleprime.com. So let us go through the next job opening here. So role would be ServiceNow developer and tech support engineer. 2 to 4 years of experience as a ServiceNow developer or tech support engineer, along with the required like these skills like ServiceNow management and support experience, strong experience in troubleshooting. So it would be a Hyderabad location, and mode of interview would be face to face. So if you are interested for this particular job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID, or else you can send your resumes by following him, Deblina Patra. So you can follow her and you can send your resumes there. So coming to automation testing jobs, role would be ETL tester, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 4 to 9 years of experience, and location is Gurgaon. So immediate joiners are preferred. So this is the job description here. Like they are looking for experienced ETL testers to join, like responsible for ensuring the quality and functionality of our ETL process, and testing automate test scripts and leverage tools like SSRS and Python to improve efficiency. So these are all the key responsibilities. So these are all the key responsibilities like conduct ETL testing to ensure data accuracy and integrity, work with ETL tools to create and execute test cases, and develop automated test scripts using Python, report and manage defects in testing. So these are all the main key responsibilities they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to Neha Lohia Singh by following her. They didn't give any mail ID. So coming to the next job opening, role would be automation tester, and experience they are expecting from the candidate is 5 to 12 years of experience, and location is Hyderabad or relocate to Hyderabad. Notice period they are giving as a 15 days. So this is the job description, like 5 years of experience in QA automation testing, strong experience with Postman and API automation testing tools. So strong understanding of database testing, strong knowledge of programming languages including Java, Python, C++. So these are all the preferable skills. If you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to this mail ID, or else you can follow Pujitai and you can send your resumes to her. So coming to the next job opening is Tosca Automation, and location is Bangalore location, and they are expecting 3 to 8 years of experience from the candidate. So these are all the key responsibilities, like job responsibilities: create and execute automated test scripts using Tosca test suite, and design and manage test automation frameworks for AGL projects. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to ensure seamless testing process. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes by this link. They didn't give any mail details, or else you can follow Akib Ali and you can send your resumes to him directly. So that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.